Last time, we studied the pronunciation of the double consonants. Did you get the hang of it? Now, let's take a look at how to use them. Let's go! 1. Double consonant between two vowels. 소쩍새, 어깨, 오빠, 으뜸, 아끼다, 기쁘다, 깨끗하다, 가끔, 거꾸로. When a double consonant occurs in a word for no apparent reason, the first sound of the next syllable is written as a double consonant. A morpheme is the smallest unit of speech that has a specific meaning, and these are the words that have become double consonant for no apparent reason. Number 2. Double consonants after ni은, 리을, 미음, 잉. 잔뜩, 살짝, 훨씬, 듬뿍, 엉뚱하다. Since these words don't have any regularity and are pronounced as double consonant, we decide to write them as they are. However, from now on, we will see cases where they are pronounced as double consonant even though they are not written as double consonant. Number 3. Double consonant after 니은, 미음. 앉다, 심다. This is most commonly seen in the form of descriptive endings after 니은, 미음. 앉고, 심고, they are also same. Here, 앉다 meaning hog in English. In this case, it is pronounced as a double consonant, but when it is used in the meaning of no in English, it is pronounced as 안다. Different. Be careful. Number 4. The double consonant after the attributive ending 을을. 갈 데가, 만날 사람. In this case, the attributive endings affect the pronunciation of the subsequent words. So, 디귿, 시옷, 지읒 is pronounced as a double consonant. Number 5. The double consonant produced after the consonant rear in Chinese characters. 물질, 일시. These words are Korean transliteration of Chinese characters. In this case, they are also pronounced with a double consonant. But when 물질 means action in water, it's pronounced as 물질. Different. Number 6. The double consonant after 기역, 디귿, 비읍. 엽서, 늑대, 맞사위, 꽃밭, 옆집. In this case, even if 기역, 디귿, 비읍 is pronounced instead of written, the next sound becomes the double consonant. In other words, in the case of 꽃밭, the final sound becomes 꽃, and here, because 디귿 affects the 밭 behind it, which is pronounced as 꽃밭. Some difficult, right? And next, number 7. The double consonant after rear 비읍, rear 디귿. 넓다, 훑다. In words with two final consonants, the double consonant pronunciation is changed first and then the consonant simplification occurs. In other words, 넓다 becomes 넓다 and then 넓다. Can you understand? Yeah, okay. That's all for now. I try to explain it as easily as possible, but I don't know if it went over well with you. You should study this part a lot and it will help you a lot in Korean pronunciation. Thank you for today's lesson and see you next time. Bye bye.